Alright, Skycorns, I need to tell you something. In case my eyes look very red and puffy, it's because I am coming off of 2 styes. I had a huge one on this eye, and then I have a semi-huge one on this eye. And in case you don't know what a stye is, it's a pimple inside your eyelid. It really hurts, so don't mind my eyes throughout the video. Hey Skycorns, it's me Skylar. So today I am filming a new video. It's going to be how to get your front walkover in 1 day. I am super excited for this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I wanted to thank you Skycorns so much for almost 1.5k subscribers. At this time last year, I just hit 100 subscribers. Man, time flies when you're having fun. So the shout out of the week goes to Kendall Armstrong. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, take part in any of the polls in the corner, and comment down below that you did all of those things and I will give you a shout out. If my comments are disabled on any of my videos, you can also comment on my community page and I will still count that as a comment and I will give you guys a shout out. If this video gets to 100 likes, I will do a scorpion tutorial. I am super excited for that. I really want this video to hit 100 likes because I think a scorpion tutorial will be so much fun. It's where you grab your back leg and you pull it towards your head. It's like a candlestick but with a bent leg. So I think that video would be super awesome. So let's get this video to 100 likes. Oh, one more thing before I go right into the video. I am moving, so in case you guys are like, Skylar, where's your bedroom? Where are your lights? Well, I'm in my parents' bedroom because this is where I film all my acro tutorials and gymnastic tutorials. We are moving 20 minutes away from where we are living now. I'm gonna have a new room, there's gonna be new bedrooms, it's gonna be a new house, so you guys will see different rooms and different stuff. So stay tuned for that in my next video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But I'm going that way. Disclaimer, make sure that your back is stretched before attempting a front walkover, and also make sure that you've stretched out your splits, right and left and middle. So the first thing that you need to be able to master in order to get your front walkover is a split handstand. So I'm going to show you what a split handstand looks like. So with the split handstand, in order to get that really consistent, I recommend doing 7 of these. In learning how to do your front walkover in 1 day is learning how to do a TikTok. In order for you to learn how to do your TikTok, I'm going to show you the first step in a TikTok. This is what a TikTok looks like. But I'm going to show you the first step and we're going to master that first before we kick over. So the first step in learning a TikTok is getting the split handstand, but also arching down and putting your bad leg on the floor in forced arch. In case you don't know what forced arch is, it's where you're on releve like this, but you're forcing your foot forward, kind of like this, so your foot has like a platform. So you're going to be kicking, split handstand, put your back leg down, which is your bad leg, and you're gonna have your foot in forced arch. And then come down. Let's do 5 of these. where you do the split handstand, and then you put your back leg on the ground in forced arch. Split handstand, forced arch. Now, you're gonna be kicking your front leg, the one that's in the air, and you're gonna be putting it on the other side. So in order to do this, when you're in forced arch, you need to push off your leg. Let's do 5 pushes off your back leg. Now that you're done with the pushes, think about doing the same jump, but pushing even harder so you can get to the other side. Once you've gone to the other side, I recommend doing the full TikTok in the full motion 5 times. Once you have mastered the TikTok, you are almost to the end. You almost have your front walkover. You're going to go into your forced arch position, and instead of kicking back the other way, you're going to put your leg on the ground. And you're going to push off your hands, like this. Let's do 7 of these. Once you feel like you're pushing off your hands really high and you feel like your back is flexible enough and strong enough to push yourself up, I want you to attempt coming up, and then I'm gonna have you try the full front walkover. Starting here, I want you to come up, like attempt to come up. Let's do 7 of these. These are really important. Now it's time for you to try the full front walkover. Kicking, splitting, putting your foot down, coming up. That's a front walkover. I'm gonna do that 2 more times to show you the full front walkover. Skycorns enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, turn on the post notification bell. Make sure to be happy, stay positive, and be strong, my friends. You can do it. I believe in you. Remember our acronym. Smile, kind, intelligent, courageous, outstanding, responsible, and noble. Bye, Skycorns. We are Unisome. Bye, Skycorns. Love ya. Let me get my cat for the outro.